Have you ever found yourself at a crossroads, wondering which path leads to success and fulfillment? What if I told you that the key to unlocking your greatest potential lies within your own mind? Welcome to Mastering Your Destiny, the transformative power of visualization, a journey where your thoughts shape your reality. Throughout history, visionaries and successful individuals have harnessed a powerful tool, often hidden in plain sight, yet profoundly impactful. This tool is visualization, the art of creating vivid mental images of our desires and goals. But how does this ancient practice, rooted in the teachings of sages like Hermes Trismegistus, translate into modern success stories? How does the simple act of seeing in the mind's eye become a bridge to achieving what we seek in the real world? In this exploration, we dive into the heart of visualization. We'll uncover its principles, its practices, and most importantly, how you can use it to transform your own life. From the dreams you dare to dream to the realities you long to live, visualization stands as a beacon, guiding your journey from aspiration to achievement. Join us as we unfold the secrets of visualization, a journey not just of achieving goals but of self-discovery and personal transformation, a journey where you are the architect of your own destiny. The foundations of visualization. In our quest to understand visualization, let's turn the pages back to ancient wisdom. Hermes Trismegistus, a name shrouded in mystery and revered in esoteric circles, taught a simple yet profound principle: as within, so without. This ancient axiom suggests that our inner thoughts and images can influence our outer reality. But how does this ancient wisdom connect to our modern lives? Visualization is not just wishful thinking. It's a focused mental process where we vividly picture our goals and desires. It's like painting on the canvas of our mind, where each stroke is a thought and each color is an emotion. This mental imagery acts as a powerful catalyst, aligning our thoughts and emotions with the realities we seek to create. Now, let's bring this concept closer to home. Think of visualization as tuning into a specific radio frequency. When we align our mental dial with the frequency of our aspirations, we start attracting those experiences into our lives. It's a subtle yet powerful shift, where what we focus on expands, shaping our path forward. The mechanics of goal visualization. Setting goals is like charting a course on a map. But how do we bring these destinations to life? This is where the art of goal visualization comes into play. Imagine your goal, not as a distant star, but as a place you're actively journeying towards. Picture it in vivid detail: the sensations, the emotions, the environment. This is not mere daydreaming. It's a deliberate act of creation. Effective visualization involves more than just seeing the end result. It's about feeling it, living it in your mind's eye. Surround yourself with positive affirmations about your goal. Break it down into smaller, achievable steps. This process is like planting seeds in fertile soil, each seed representing a small but significant part of your larger goal. But remember, the path to success is rarely a straight line. Be prepared to adapt, to change course when needed. Flexibility is not a sign of weakness, but of strength. It's the ability to navigate the winds of change while keeping your destination in sight. Process visualization. Embracing the journey. Visualizing the end goal is just one part of the story. The real magic lies in embracing the journey, the process visualization. This is where you focus on the steps, the actions, the doing part of your dream. It's about seeing yourself in motion, moving towards your goal one step at a time. Imagine yourself overcoming challenges, adapting to changes, growing stronger with each step. This is not about obsessing over every detail, but about being present in the journey, celebrating each small victory. Process visualization helps you navigate the unexpected, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Think of it as a game, where each level you conquer brings you closer to the final victory. Each task, no matter how small, is a crucial piece of the puzzle. By visualizing yourself performing these tasks successfully, you're not just preparing for success, you're living it in every moment. The power of intention in visualization. As we delve deeper into the art of visualization, we encounter a crucial element: intention. Intention is the driving force behind every dream, the invisible energy that propels us forward. But what exactly is intention and how does it shape our journey? Imagine intention as a powerful river, flowing towards the sea of your goals. There are two kinds of currents in this river: inner and outer intention. Inner intention is your personal resolve, the determination to act and achieve. It's the paddle in your hands, steering you through the waters of effort and perseverance. Outer intention, on the other hand, is a deeper belief, a conviction that your goals will be realized. It's like the wind filling the sails of your boat, guiding you towards your destination with a sense of inevitability. When you combine the force of your inner intention with the guiding power of outer intention, you create an unstoppable momentum towards your dreams. Remember, the path to greatness is often marked by flexibility and adaptability. Like a skilled sailor, be ready to adjust your sails when the winds of life shift. Your journey is unique, and so is your route to success. Crafting the ideal self. Now let's turn our focus inward to the most important aspect of visualization: crafting your ideal self. This is where you envision not just what you want to achieve, but who you want to become in the process. Your ideal self is the best version of you, equipped with the traits, habits, and style that align with your deepest aspirations. Imagine this version of yourself in vivid detail. What qualities do they possess? How do they approach challenges? What daily habits define their life? Visualizing your ideal self is more than a fantasy. It's a blueprint for personal transformation. It's about gradually adopting the habits and mindset of this ideal version of you. Each day, with each action, you're sculpting yourself into this person, step by step. Embrace this process of transformation. Let it be a journey of self-discovery and growth. As you align your actions with your ideal self, you'll find your reality shifting, bringing you closer to your goals and the person you aspire to be.